Hi everybody, I'm Sarah, working our FreshLime booth, and we want to thank you for stopping by. We know that things are going on in the world today that makes us feel really disconnected, but we still wanted to make the connection with you today. So you're probably wondering what FreshLime is, and before you pause this video or walk away, let me tell you. FreshLime is a platform that allows your customer conversations to be fast, easy, trackable, and more personalized than ever. That way they not only choose you, but they keep coming back even after the first visit. So if you're interested in growing your business, if you're interested in providing the best way your customers can connect with your business, then keep listening. Even though we're not in person at the show, we are extending our show pricing. All you have to do is schedule a demo and learn a little bit more about how FreshLime can help your business and customer make better connections.